Today, we're looking at the Yardwe 2Pcs gardening hand rake, a versatile tool that promises to make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. This hand rake is designed to help you perfect your soil preparation by breaking it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. It's not just about soil, though. This rake is also great for dislodging small weeds around both perennials and annuals, making it a valuable addition to your garden toolkit. The Yardwe hand rake is built with durability in mind. Constructed from high-quality plastic, this rake can handle heavy work in the garden without compromising on performance. The plastic head and grip material are designed to endure rough use, so you can rely on this tool for the long-term point. One of the standout features of this rake is its ergonomic design. The plastic grip ensures a comfortable hold, even during extended periods of use, reducing hand fatigue and making gardening more enjoyable. Plus, the rake's sturdy build means it can withstand the rigors of everyday gardening tasks, whether you're working in your flower beds or managing your lawn. The Yardwe 2Pcs gardening hand rake comes in a sleek black color and weighs just 168 grams, making it lightweight and easy to handle. It's not just a tool for yourself. It could also make a thoughtful gift for friends or family who are passionate about gardening. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, durable, and efficient gardening tool, the Yardwe hand rake is definitely worth considering. Its ability to handle both soil and weed management with ease makes it a fantastic choice for any gardening enthusiast.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.